When the 6th generation of Ford Bronco SUVs was released in 2021, we put a lot of time and effort in at Truck Hardware, designing our custom-fit Gatorback mudflaps to meet the demands of such an iconic vehicle and its original equipment variations. Our professional team here in Alberta, Canada worked hard, hands-on to deliver durable, capable, and effective custom-fit mudflaps for the Ford Bronco and ensured they fit through various models with every new vehicle update we experience. For the 21 to current Ford Broncos, we designed custom nylon offset mudflaps with a removable rubber lower, a design offering superior clearance and capability. It is important, however, if your Bronco has the rock rails, not to be confused with the hoop steps, you will need to purchase the GCN 406 F2 front flaps. These are designed with a hole where the rock rail end inserts. Our mudflaps will work with the original OE running board with some modification. They also fit great on Broncos with the Sasquatch package. The rear mudflap remains unchanged and fit on every model and variation. The Gatorback mudflaps for the Ford Bronco are frame mounted. Mounting brackets are constructed from black anodized aluminum. Customizable to your liking with removable Bronco text and bucking Bronco logo plates. This year, Ford introduced this new OE running board for the 2025 Bronco. Of course, we promptly acquired this model to verify whether the fitment remains unchanged or if it would require revisions. The GCN 406 F1 mudflaps, which are front-fitting with no rock rail hole, require no changes and work with these 2025 running boards. Gatorback mudflaps not only provide protection, but also help to keep your Bronco clean by closing in the gap below the flare. These upper mounts are made of a strong nylon material that is black through and through, so it won't chip or peel. They have been custom routed for a custom fit. There are slightly elongated holes so that you have some adjustments depending on what flare you have on your Bronco. All the visible hardware and bracketing has been blackened for a cleaner aesthetic. We hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more and comment any questions down below, or contact us at info@truckhardware.ca.